Okay, with respect to question number 9 from the chapter polynomial, this was a 1 mark question. Ideally, solutions. So, 1 mark question. From the quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. They have given, where is it? They have given sum of zeros as minus 3, product of zeros as 2. That is, alpha plus beta is given, alpha into beta we have been given. Now, ask us to find the quadratic polynomial. How to find the quadratic polynomial? Use the standard form. K into x square minus sum of x plus product. Okay, this is the standard form of polynomial. Substitute the sum and the product, you will get the answer. So this was for 1 mark. Okay, next one was an MCQ based question. A graph of the polynomial p of x cuts the x-axis at 3 points, cuts the one and touches 2 other points. 2 other points in the x-axis itself. That means touches 2 other points, which touches 2 points in the x-axis itself. So there are 3 points already touching, and 2 more points are gonna touch. So how many number of points? How many zeros are there? 5 zeros. How many wrote only 3 zeros? You would have lost the marks. So this was 1 mark, 5 zeros. So then next one we have an assertion reasoning question. So here assertion is if zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c are to be positive, then a, b, c are all have the same sign. Really? Listen. Are to be positive. Are to be positive. No, need not to be. Because we have taken an example over here. A and B are positive bits. If alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So is it required to be positive? It can be negative also. Right? End of the show, alpha plus beta should be found out. Okay? So your assertion is false. In which of the options assertion will be false? Wake up. In which of the options assertion will be false? Last option will be the assertion false. Remaining all other options, assertion will be true. Okay? Next. This was for 1 mark assertion reasoning. Question number 12, which was for 2 mark. If the value of p for which one root of the quadratic polynomial p of x square minus 14x plus a equals 0 is 6 times the other. Is 6 times the other. Okay? That means one of your root is alpha and 6 alpha. This is not 2, this is alpha. Alpha and 6 alpha are the roots. 6 times the other roots. So only if the product is 8 by p, okay, product is equal to c by a. A is nothing but p. C is nothing but 8 by p. And then sum is what? Alpha plus 6 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Minus b is minus of minus 14 by p. That is equal to 14 by p. Upon simplifying, you will get alpha is equal to 2 by p. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. In place of alpha, substitute 2 by p. Okay? On substituting in place of alpha as 2 by p, you will be getting as p is equal to 3. Yes? Substituting simplification, p is equal to 3, you got the value. So, this was for 2 marks. So, marking scheme has been shared, I guess. Right, it was shared. Okay. Question number 13. If zeros of a polynomial x square plus 4x plus 2a are alpha and 2 by alpha, find the values. 2a comes under which part? It comes under c. ax square plus bx plus c part. So, alpha, the product of the roots is equal to c by a, we know formula. Where is that? This question will be no? No. 13th here it is. Alpha and 2 by alpha. The product of the roots are c by a. So, alpha into 2 by alpha is equal to 2a. Okay? A is equal to 1. Simplification. Alpha gets cancelled. 2a is equal to 2. So, when will a be? A will be equal to 1. Then come to question number 14. Question number 14. Any doubts till here? No doubts? 14th and 15th you will be having doubts. I know. Question number 14. Question number 14 is, how many of you solve cubic polynomial? No one has solved. So from where in the case you think that you can attempt this question? I had given one responsibility for you people to solve it from RS other one, right? To solve cubic. If you have doubts, come and ask. Also, I asked no. I told no. Anyone came and asked regarding cubic? Solve or control one can answer, right? I can answer it. Without that, you don't answer. This is how the question will be. I'll explain you cubic. See here. See here. I'll explain you cubic. This is a cubic polynomial. So there will be 3 roots or 3 zeros. One is alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. Sum of the roots. What have they given? Okay. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. The formula is minus b by a. What is your b over here? B is minus 3. Minus of minus 3 by 1 is plus 3. Okay. That is what is equation number 1. Sum of all the zeros. Sum of all the zeros. That is the formula. Then alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to, given as, what is it? C by A. Formula is C by A. What is your C? Minus 10 by 1. That is equal to 10. That is your equation number 2. That is your equation number 2. Then alpha, beta, gamma, the product of all the zeros. Product of all the zeros is equal to minus d by a. Minus d by a. Minus of 24 by 1. That is equal to minus 24. Okay. Minus b by a. b. Standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That is cubic polynomial. Okay. So this is minus b by a. B for donkey. B by a. So you know one of the root is 4. Okay. Alpha is taken as 4. When you put alpha as 4 in equation 1, you get beta plus gamma is equal to minus 1. Okay. When you put alpha is equal to 4 in equation number 2, you will get beta, in equation number 3, you will get beta into gamma is equal to minus 6. Yeah. Beta into gamma is equal to minus 6 you will get. Okay. Now you know how to write identities, right? In terms of minus, plus, product, you know. So b minus gamma the whole, a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. You know this? You know this formula? The same formula I have used here in terms of beta and gamma. Okay. So here I found b minus gamma the whole square. Okay. What is b minus gamma? It will be 5. Okay. 5 square is 25. So b minus gamma equals 5. I take it as equation number 4. So we know the product, one equation we have, one more equation in the same 2 variables we have. Linear equation in 2 variables. By the method of elimination, when you add these 2 equations, you will get 2b is equal to 4. Add equation 4 and equation number this. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus 1 is alpha. Add this to the equation 4. You will get gamma gets cancelled. 2 beta is equal to 4 you will get. Beta is equal to 2 you will get. Substitute beta value in either 4 or this. You will be getting gamma is equal to minus 3. So you know alpha value is 4, beta value is 2, gamma value is minus 3. Write down all the zeros. How many marks was this? I have. It was a 3-mark question. Come to question number 15. This was asked in 2015. Okay. So what was this? This was a 5-mark question. Majority doubt came down in my book. Did you have this doubt? Okay. Didi, if you are watching this video, please do make a note of this. Okay. So you know there is a quadratic polynomial which is given over there, and the polynomial which is raised to the power 4 is also given in the question. So for the quadratic polynomial, you will find the zeros, you will find the roots. So here you will simplify quadratic polynomial, you will get x is equal to minus 2, minus 3 as the roots. Okay? Yes? You will get minus 4, minus 3. This minus 4, once you will substitute in p of x formula, your actual polynomial, you will be getting one equation. Where is that equation? You will be getting one equation. This is your equation 1 if you substitute minus 4. Yes? When you substitute minus 3, you will get one more equation. Equation number 2. You have one equation, you have one more equation. Okay? Solve the two equations. By the method of elimination again. You were not taught the method of elimination. Okay, fine. You could have done by the method of substitution, method of transposition. Yes, in your equation there you people did the right. Why finding about solving? This was a tricky thing. But end of the show, what happens? So it's a combination of chapters you will be writing in your board exam. It's not like quadratic separate chapter. So polynomial separate, linear equation separate. No. Here, what all chapters are involved in this question then? Your polynomials is involved, your quadratic is involved, here finding the roots. Quadratic is involved, linear equation is involved in solving this. Yes? So P is equal to minus 35, Q is equal to minus 60, you will get the answer. Clear? Okay. Question number 16, case study. Everyone got this question correct. Why is that? Adi Sharma, same question, same picture was put. Directly you people are asking me to feed you like this. Don't even give an effort of like this. Or not even use a spoon. Sir, I need it by hand only, I won't use spoon at all. First one was a parabola structure. Then the second question was when the graph opens downwards. When does it opens downwards? When a is less than 0. This I have told, downwards, upwards, open A is less than 0, then the curve opens downwards. Then how many zeros are there? This is the picture. This is the picture. Okay? This is the picture. How many points? 2 points are there. So there are 2 zeros. Then what are those zeros? Minus 2 and 4. Idu esto jana buddhivatru what they have done? They have written question number 4 at first. Then 1, 4, 2, 3 they have written it. Very intelligent people. If you are writing 2 and 3, after one I check question number 2 only, irrespective of the order you have written. If question number 2 was wrong, because they are not clear about A is less than 0 or not. So what they did, they are clear about this, they have written it over here. Thinking that, oh sir, we will give 2 marks at least over there. After that, he will see question number 2. How many of you lost marks by doing this strategy? One student is laughing there. Then, did you do this? Someone has done in your class. Correct me? No, this is not possible. I remember, I have not remember rules. That's it. The person has seriously written this and then written off everything. So what he got? Only 1 mark. Because first question was correct. Second question was wrong. Third and fourth are correct. But what he has done, 4 1 he has written at the second, thinking that I give it marks. Intelligence. Okay, zeros we found out. Then zeros of a quadratic polynomial. This is one of the quadratic polynomial people. They have asked us to find that. This is how we find. Now 14 here.
So what will this stand for second equation?
This one. Sum of product of terms. SOP. Sum of product. This is SOP. One more comes under POS. Product of sums. What will it be? Product of sums means alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha is equal to something. Product of sums. This is sum of products. You will learn if this is higher or you won't learn it again. So in overall, test paper 2. Any doubts? Any doubts? You attend Madilla. Ask the question paper with your friend if he has. If not, message me. I will only send you the question. Okay.